Hey everyone, it's Mouse Fan Adventures here today, and today we're gonna try out the Power Streak rocket launcher. Now this is only $3.99, $4, you know, but it says it can fly. It's soft foam rocket, and yeah, it says it can fly. So it's pretty simple, guys. You pretty much go like this. This is what you do. You put the rocket, and it's real foam, so it's not gonna hurt nobody. So,
just wait, you shoot at yourself by accident.
and you go all the way down.
Oh boy, that spring doesn't look so healthy.
You go all the way down. Oh my God. This is how it looks.
Hold on.
Does it work? Let's find out.
Maybe. Hey, Patrick!
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh my God!
Okay, hold on. Let me get one on, and y'all can each shoot.
Wait, you said I could go sit. I go sit. Okay.
No, I told Tryston, baby, you go in there. Oh my God! That was your try, Tryston.
What?
I'm just playing.
If that is that
Shoot it.
Ray, bitch, you won't. No.
Shoot in the sky. That's awesome.
Mine is for me.
Let me see. Good baby, shoot it. Now this right here,
Yeah, subscribe, buddy.
for $4 is not bad. Let me shoot it somewhere.
Yeah. What's this?
What did it hit?
It hit the tree.
My turn again.
Okay, look.
That's mine. My turn.
The spring doesn't look very
It did my
healthy,
turn. You did
but
fine.
it is fun. Like, that is so cool. Not bad for a kid's
Hey,
toy.
my turn. No, wait, what? My turn now.
Here, Tryston, you shooting there, Roxanne shoots, and then y'all shoot, and then. Ready?
Wait, Dad, never mind. Let's go find it down too high.
No, Tryston, shoot it over here.
Okay, good angle.
Let me see it, Tryston.
It went flying.
What happened?
I should run!
Yeah.
She ran and pressed the trigger.
That doesn't count.
We shouldn't get her a gun at all.
No. She's running with it, going.
Where'd
it go?
But that was my bread.
Okay, that's your shot. Baby, what are you running for? It's styrofoam, it doesn't hurt. No, don't do it.
Play at that, shoot that.
Shoot in the sky over
Does it
there.
really hurt shooting at someone?
No, don't shoot
Shoot
nobody.
that, shoot that.
I don't want to be the first one to find out.
I'll be the first one.
No. But anyways, so do they work? Yes, that is the Power Rocket Launcher, which is all styrofoam, and it's only $3.99 at pretty much any little store you can get.
Again.
So yeah.
Here you go.
Wow, Tryston, how did that go? His face.
If I catch it,
That close? Are you serious?
I got the fist.
What if they hit you in the nards?
It ain't gonna hurt, it's foam. Really?
Wow, he has bad aim.
That's because it went like that. I'll catch all of them.
Alright, well, let's see Dad. Shoot Dad.
Don't get scared. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Hey, let me shoot now.
You okay, Greg?
You did good one.
That actually kind of hurt. You got me unexpected.
You look like
I don't know, that comes faster than what I thought. Catch it. Oh!
You missed.
That hurt.
Alright, Roxanne, you ready to shoot again?
Oh, that kind of stings.
You got to let
It doesn't like Like not
Here,
pain,
let me
but
play.
like kind of a little.
Because she'll use.
Oh.
Oh.
Roxanne, you're gonna mess it
She's gonna shoot herself.
up. You're gonna mess it up, baby.
What did I do?
Come on, Roxanne, shoot. Run and shoot. Jump. Oh my God. One more. Maybe you're trying to shoot me somewhere else. Okay.
That's time. Shoot the camera.
Oh.
Oh. No.
Where'd it go?
Neighbor shots. You ready to jump the fence?
No. Y'all drop a like, leave a comment.
Subscribe. Come on. End the video now.
What if it comes back for you?
I almost caught it. Oh.
Almost caught that.